In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the famous ChatGPT and explore what artificial intelligence is all about. Let's start by diving into our first simple task, accessing ChatGPT. Now, to begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. It's a simple step, but it's where all our adventures start. In the search bar, just type ChatGPT. This will lead you to the list of search results. You're looking for the official ChatGPT website, so go ahead and click on the link that matches. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. To start interacting with ChatGPT, you'll need a prompt. For example, you might want to type, "What is artificial intelligence?" This is your first chance to delve into understanding a fundamental concept behind ChatGPT. Once your prompt is ready, simply click on the Submit button. Watching ChatGPT process your request and generate a response can be quite fascinating as it showcases the capabilities of artificial intelligence in breaking down complex topics into easy-to-understand information. Moving forward, you'll see that ChatGPT is not just limited to answering your questions. You can also use it for explaining complex concepts. Imagine trying to understand the water cycle. If you need a simpler explanation, you can prompt ChatGPT, "Explain the water cycle to me in simple terms, as if I were a fifth grader." After typing your prompt, click Submit and wait for ChatGPT to give you a straightforward explanation. ChatGPT can also serve as a tutor for various subjects. If you're wondering about financial terms, you might ask for the difference between a debit and a credit card by saying, "Explain the difference between a debit and a credit card in simple terms." Hit Submit, and there you have it, an instant lesson from your artificial tutor. And here's an interesting use, story generation. If creativity is your focus, why not ask ChatGPT to write a short, funny story? You can amuse yourself with a prompt like, "Write a short, funny story about a superhero grandma who accidentally uses her powers for everyday tasks." Once you click Submit, ChatGPT will craft a unique story that's both entertaining and engaging. And there you have it. Whether it's answering your questions, clarifying complex subjects, teaching you new things, or even spinning stories, ChatGPT proves to be a remarkable tool powered by artificial intelligence. It's a world where curiosity meets technology, and each interaction with ChatGPT invites endless possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this tool as exciting and useful as I do.